Let's dive into the annals of automotive history, specifically the transformative year of 1966. A mere 3 years after the introduction of Lamborghini's first prototype, the automotive landscape witnessed a seismic shift with the unveiling of a masterpiece, the Lamborghini Miura. This wasn't just a car, it was a declaration, a paradigm shift in the performance car industry. The Miura's genesis unfolds with Lamborghini's audacious engineers grappling with a unique challenge, a formidable 3.9-liter V12 that refused to neatly fit above the rear axle longitudinally. Undeterred, the engineers pivoted, turning the engine sideways and giving birth to a transverse-mounted mid-engine chassis. The world got its first glimpse of this audacious move at the 1965 Turin Salon Auto Show, sparking instant enthusiasm and numerous orders, setting the stage for the imminent arrival of the Miura. Collaborating with the revered Nuccio Bertone, Lamborghini meticulously sculpted the Miura's exterior. The result was unveiled at the 1966 Geneva Motor Show, a timeless masterpiece. A shark-nosed front end, circular headlights, sensuous curves, and a rear adorned with a graded engine panel. The Miura's design was more than aesthetically pleasing. It was a statement, a testament to automotive artistry. In the ongoing debate about the first mid-engine supercar, the Miura proudly stands as the first conceived from scratch for the open road. It wasn't just about aesthetics. It was a meticulous engineering move, championing balanced weight distribution, setting a new gold standard for traction, and redefining the very essence of handling. The Miura wasn't just breaking the mold, it was shaping the future of supercars. Powering the Miura was a robust 3.9-liter DOHC V12, delivering an impressive 350 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque in its base model. The Miura stormed onto the scene, leaving competitors trailing with its remarkable 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.7 seconds and a top speed of 163 miles per hour. Subsequent iterations, the P400S and P400SV, further elevated its prowess, achieving top speeds of 168 miles per hour and 170 miles per hour respectively. The Miura's influence wasn't confined to its speed and design. It reverberated across the entire automotive landscape. It was more than a car, it was a revolution. Lamborghini wasn't merely following trends, it was setting them. The Miura wasn't just a vehicle, it was a statement of defiance, an embodiment of Lamborghini's commitment to pushing boundaries and reshaping automotive norms. The Lamborghini Miura, with its groundbreaking mid-engine design and timeless allure, stands not just as a car, but as an emblem of automotive evolution. From its debut in 1966 to the final SV model in 1973, meticulously crafted in a total of 764 units, the Miura's legacy endures, a timeless classic and an indelible icon in automotive history. The Lamborghini Miura, a supercar that not only changed the game but left an everlasting mark on the world of high-performance vehicles.